eyes now shining bright. We bounce and giggle in delight. Tiny prints across the field, through the leaves a path revealed. Rub and nuzzle side by side, now we're friends with joy and pride. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Snuggle close with all our might. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Wiggle waggle left and right. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. The sun waves with golden light. Up the hill we pause inside. The golden sunset fills the sky. The puppy turns and softly goes, wishing not to say goodbye. Home sweet home, warm and near. A cozy bed is waiting here. Curling up with a gentle grin, eyes shut tight, dreams begin. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Thanks for such a lovely day. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Let's meet in dreams and play. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Hugs and love now drift away. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. We'll run again tomorrow too. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Under skies so wide and blue. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. I'll be waiting here for you. Kitty, open your eyes. Kitty, open your eyes. Stretch and yawn in morning light. Run across the grassy field. Jump with joy, a butterfly. Sneaky steps into the woods. Squirrel friend says, hi there. The day begins with happy feet. We smile and run to play. run after a butterfly. It flutters through the sky. The butterfly is so pretty. I follow close behind, so quick and happy. The butterfly flew far away. Now I'm standing all alone. Where's my mommy? Where is she? My eyes start filling up with tears. A little bird flew down and said she went just past that big green hill. Mommy, where are you now? I want a cozy hug right now. Mommy, I miss you so. I'm right here, don't you know? Mommy, Mommy, can you hear? I really wish that you were near. I came upon a forked path. Which way should I go down? A meerkat smiled and said to me, try the left one, you'll be fine. I nodded slowly, took a breath. The wind whispered, you've got this. Mommy, where are you now? Can you hear my tiny steps? Mommy, I miss you so. My nose feels funny, don't you know? Mommy, Mommy, answer me. My heart is bouncing like a beat. A deer and raccoon said to me, we just saw a big elephant. My heart felt like a big balloon. My feet began to pick up speed. The sunshine felt so warm and bright, and I felt hope inside me rise. Mommy, the sunset feels so big. I tripped and now my knee feels sore. Mommy, I'm right over here. I wiped my tears and looked ahead. Mommy, I'm right here with you. Give me the warmest hug you do. No more crying, I'll be strong. With you is where I belong. Mommy, Mommy, thank you so. Please don't let me go. A little fox all on her own loves the sunlight shining down. A warm and sunny forest day, she hums a tune and starts to play. A squirrel and a parrot appear. They laugh and talk with voices clear. The fox feels bothered, starts to frown. They stop and slowly wander down. Their footsteps slowly fade away. My friend, my friend. My heart feels heavy all the way. My friend, my friend. The fox then pauses on the trail. She walks back slowly, looking pale. No friends around, just gentle breeze. She sighs and whispers through the trees. She walks the path and softly calls, where are you now, my friend so small? She takes a breath and gently tries, I'm sorry, friends, for shouting cries. She says their names with quiet care. My friend, my friend. Her voice is calm, she wants to share. My friend, my friend. Next day she walks to find them both. With quiet steps and heart of growth, she sees them near and shyly says, I'm sorry, friends, for yesterday. Her friends just smile and say it's fine. Let's laugh and play, the day is mine. They hold hands tight and jump around.